I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to How To Fridays. This week we're going to be talking about how to spice up your texts, and if you want to learn how to do that, then keep on watching. First off, I want to say that these tips that I'm giving you today, or examples that I'm giving you today, you should only do it with somebody you are in a partnership with, meaning a relationship, whether that is boyfriend, girlfriend, or married, or whatever your situation is, because this is giving a lot of energy, this is giving a lot of effort, and if it's just a bed buddy, this is just too much for that. So it should be somebody you are in a committed relationship with, and it's somebody that you trust emotionally and mentally, because I think you should trust somebody whenever you're sleeping with them. So if you trust them emotionally and mentally and physically, then go ahead. So I am not a relationship expert or an expert on sexy texting, but I am good at creative writing, and that's essentially what sexting is. It's creative writing. So I decided to take 5 mundane things and then rewrite them in a more sexy way. So I'm giving you 5 examples on how you can do that, and then you can apply that in your life accordingly. Now, I'm doing this from the point of view of a woman, as I am a woman. So you, as a guy, I don't know how much this will help you. Maybe it will give you creative ideas. I don't know. But as a girl, here are some tips. I'm gonna read it off the book because I'm not gonna be able to remember all of them word for word. But number 1, instead of saying I will go and take a shower, which I know it's a little bit sexy in itself because of the implication of you being without clothes. But instead of saying that, you can make it a lot more sensual by saying, first I will run my fingers through my hair. As I'm doing this, water would drip down my naked body, making me all wet. Once I'm wet and ready, I would touch every inch of my body. You're basically describing what you do in the shower, because you let the water run through your body, you put shampoo in your hair, you put shampoo on your body. You're literally touching every inch of your body, but you're rewriting it in a way, describing everything without describing everything you're doing. And that's essentially what sexting is. It's describing things and implying things. You're describing it, but you're not telling it what it is. It's painting a picture without telling them what the picture is. They have to imagine it on their own. Number 2, I will get dressed and eat, which is like a normal conversation. But instead of saying that, you can say, I'm going to put on something that squeezes me in all the right places, and then something that hugs my soft skin. After that, I will mix a few things together, and as I bring it to my mouth, I will lick my lips slowly so that I can taste every delicious flavor. Perfect, delicious. Number 3, I will be there in 5 minutes. Instead of saying that, and this is something a lot of people use, but you can change the 5 minutes with 3 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You can change after that time, but you can write, in a few short moments, something absolutely gorgeous will be right outside, and the night you will never forget can begin. Very simple, very easy, but at the same time implies something magical is going to happen. Number 4, I need to run a few errands first, or I have a few things I need to do first. Both of those things apply as long as you're out in public. You have to be in public for this to be a thing you can write. And that is, I just need to show off this gorgeous body around town, but what is underneath this amazing outfit that hugs me so right are for your eyes only. Again, implying that you are wonderfully beautiful. Number 5, I will see you later, or I can't wait to see you. Both of those apply for this one. And this one does need an emoticon at the end of it to kind of like wrap it up into a beautiful text. I chose something today that is only for you. Can't wait till you unwrap it. And it needs to be a winky emoticon at the end. It has to have that. The number 5, it doesn't have to be you buying a whole new outfit. It just means that you are wearing something beautiful and you have a gorgeous set of underwear underneath. With all of these texts, not just number 5, but with all of these texts, whenever you do send them, don't hold back on what you're gonna do next time you see each other, because you can't go around teasing somebody saying that, sending these texts and then not follow through. You have to follow through on the text that you sent. Like I said, having an outfit that he gets to unwrap, because that's basically what he's doing for number 5. He's unwrapping the clothes that you have. You're just writing it in a more creative way than saying, oh, I can't wait for you to take off my clothes. Like, that doesn't sound that sexy, to be honest. But unwrapping, that sounds a whole lot more sexy and a lot more mysterious, which is what you want to go for. Because again, it's suggestive without saying exactly what you're suggesting. So that is basically what you want with sexting. I am sorry for the guys that I don't have a version from your point of view on what you can write a girl. But if you do want that, leave a comment down below and I will try and make one. I'm not a guy, but I imagine I know what girls want to hear. So I know that perspective of how you can phrase it, because girls are built different than guys. We are visual creatures as well, but we are built a little bit different. And the one thing I can say to the guys is that if you are sexting a girl, remember that girls are not just visual, they have to have the sexy and sensual, but with the romantic as well. We need both of them in order for us to actually enjoy what you're writing or doing. If you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you will be notified when I upload a video. I upload my How To Fridays every Friday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 2 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!